In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically add a label to an email in Gmail so you can keep your inbox organized without manually sorting every message. This is a super useful trick if you want to group emails from specific senders, customers, newsletters, projects, or clients into neat categories the moment they arrive. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Gmail tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail in your browser. You can go directly to mail.google.com and sign in to the account where you want to set this up. Once you're inside your inbox, open any email that you want to automatically label in the future. It can be an email from a person, a company, or even a recurring newsletter you receive often. With that email open, look toward the top right of the message and click the three-dot More menu. This is where Gmail hides a lot of extra actions and settings for the current email. From the menu, click Filter Messages like these. Gmail will now use the details from that email to help you build a filter, which is exactly what we need for automatic labeling. At this point, you may see filter fields already filled in, such as the sender email address or subject line. Take a moment to adjust the filter details if needed. For example, if you want Gmail to label every email from a specific sender, make sure the From field is correct. If you want to narrow it down even more, you can refine the search using subject words, recipients, or other filter options. The more precise your filter is, the better the result will be. Once you've confirmed the filter details, click Create Filter. This opens the next step, where Gmail asks what you want to do with messages that match this filter. Here, check Apply the label. This tells Gmail to automatically place matching emails into a label of your choice. Now, you'll need to choose the label. You can select an existing label if you already have one set up, or click New Label if you want to create a brand new category. If you create a new label, give it a clear name that makes sense for your workflow, like clients, receipts, newsletters, or projects. That way, it's easy to find and manage later. There's also an optional setting called Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. If you turn this on, Gmail will apply the label to emails in the same conversation thread that already match the filter. This is useful if you want older messages in that thread to be organized the same way, but it's completely optional depending on how you want your inbox arranged. When everything looks good, click Create Filter one final time. Gmail will save your settings, and from this point forward, any future email that matches your filter will automatically get that label added. No extra work, no manual sorting, and no cluttered inbox. And that's it. You've now learned how to automatically add a label to an email in Gmail. This is one of the easiest ways to stay organized and save time every day, especially if you get a lot of messages. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.